Today's video will be all about the wind. I consider the wind to be a beautiful example of the power of things unseen. There are many lessons to be learned from the wind. For example, the wind teaches us about the nature of energy. It demonstrates the fact that we don't need to see it to feel it. Whether it's a warm embrace shared between two, letting loose on the dance floor, or a tense interview. Its existence is undeniable. The wind teaches us that energy is everything. In other words, it's the fuel to our life. It's important that we pay attention to our thoughts because negative energy can grow and become very damaging to our mind, body, and soul. The wind teaches us about the nature of love. It shows us that when we spread the seeds of love, it will continue to grow till the end of time. It's the gift that keeps on giving. The wind teaches us how to work with external elements that are out of our control. There will be things in life that we can't control. And when we learn to work in harmony without resistance, our results will be successful. The wind teaches us about judgment. For example, breaking wind. Some may find it to be a funny distraction from a serious event, while others may find it to be quite rude. In other words, the wind teaches us not to worry about what others think. It's best to be ourselves, and the right people will stick around. The wind teaches us the importance of expressing ourselves. It does this by demonstrating the beautiful sounds it can bring out of a wind chime. We should never be afraid to express ourselves, because when we do, Spirit will always have our back. Dr. Wayne Dyer once said, "Don't die with the music still in you." Very powerful words to live by. As a matter of fact, the wind has been the inspiration for many beautiful poems, such as this one by Right Blue 7, titled "To Ride the Wind." Oh, what a wonder it really would be to ride on the wind with impunity, to drift with the breeze on a summer day, and then hang on tight when the gales come to play. I'd cross the oceans like an albatross and watch the waves as they billow and toss. I'd climb over mountains covered in snow and move the sand when the desert winds blow. I'd howl down your chimney and frighten the dog, or hardly move in the mist and the fog. I'd excite tree leaves and start them to sing, and breeze through wind chimes to make them all ring. I'd make grasslands move like the ocean waves, and gently caress our forefathers' graves. I'd stroke the flowers so they move with grace, then kiss kids' faces and not leave a trace. Oh, what a wonder it really would be to ride on the wind with impunity. Some say it happens when life's at the end. Your spirit's then free with the wind to blend.